Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI.
Do you have a cute little puppy that makes a big mess? Well, I would definitely recommend this product by Sunny and Honey. This Carpet Miracle cleaner is really awesome. It's easy to use and it works really well. All you have to do is put about an ounce of the solution in your basin and then fill up the water. Make sure it's nice and warm. I kind of eyeball it and it works well. Then clip it into your shampooer and start shampooing. As you can see, the carpet is already pretty light and white, but as I am using the shampooer going back and forth, you can definitely see the difference in where I did versus where I didn't.
So if you have carpets in your home, I would highly recommend this product. If you have dogs, if you have messy kids, if you're messy yourself, or if you have a perfectly fine, clean carpet, but you want a great smell,
I would highly recommend this product because it smells so good.
This Carpet Miracle Cleaner is just amazing. It smells so good. It really helps with stains. It not only deodorizes, but it works really well combined with your shampooer. And I would definitely recommend this product. I will continue to use it, and that's my point of view.